Right, I've decided to make some baubles, and it's a really cute little craft. It's the first time I've made it, but what I've got here is I've bought these decorations. I bought them off Amazon. I will put the link below, and they're actually plastic, so they're not glass, they're plastic, and they have a top as well that comes with them that comes out. So the things that you need is however many of these you want. They come in a pack of 12, the ones I've bought, so I've got 12 of those. Then I have just simply got an old paintbrush and then a little glass jar. It's actually a little goo jar, I think it was, something that I've just recycled. And what I've got in here is a mixture of PVA glue and water. So I've just done about half and half. You can also use Mod Podge, which is a slightly different mixture to this, a little bit more expensive, and I just thought I'll just use this, it's cheaper. And then I've got some tissue paper here, which I just also will put a link to below. So those really are all the things that you need. So it's quite an easy craft to do. So what you need to do is take your bauble, and what I've been doing is there's some here that you can see that I've already done. I just, first of all, put my finger in the end to hold it stable and then paint a layer of the glue mixture all over. So when you put the glue and the water in together, you'll just need to take a minute to mix it all together. It just takes a minute to mix it. So I'm just doing, sometimes you get some hairs come out the brush, which is a bit of a pain. So just get rid of those. So layer of the glue all over. It's actually, I've never done this before, but I actually really like it. I find it quite therapeutic actually. And then I've just torn up pieces of the tissue paper into random sizes. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is cover the whole of the bauble with the tissue paper. Now, the way that I've found to do it, the easiest, is I start at the top, sort of close to the rim, and you have to be quite delicate with this. I just literally pat it down with a finger, okay, into all the glue. Now, it doesn't matter if it folds over, that's absolutely fine. And then you're basically going to spend the rest of the time patching it all in. Oops, that's upside down, put it the right way up, so the hearts are the right way up. Okay, and then you just keep going with these random sizes. Try so that there's not too many overlaps, but if there is an overlap, it doesn't really matter. So it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle really. So can you see here that there's an overlap there, so it doesn't particularly sit close, you know, there's a little flap look, but at the end what we're going to do is put another layer of glue on top to press everything down. So anything that is not completely sat flat will be by the end of the process. Okay, and then you just keep going. I actually find it really relaxing. Try to not touch the tissue paper too much once you've put it on, because what can easily happen is you can sort of get yourself caught up. So what I'm trying to do is only pat the tissue paper, not pat too much of the glue, because I don't want to have the glue on my fingers, because then that makes it a bit more difficult and everything starts to get a bit sticky. So I'm trying to only pat the paper here. You want all of it to be covered. So you can see I've still got quite a few bits sticking up there, look. So all I'm going to do now is do another layer of glue, and you see straight away that actually sticks down the remaining pieces of tissue paper that weren't stuck before. So go all the way over. So this is your second, and as you can see I'm just turning it around with my finger, so I've still got my finger holding it inside there. Okay, trying to do a balance between getting a good layer of glue and not too much, because the more glue I put on, obviously the longer it's going to take to dry. Okay, so there we are. It doesn't look beautiful at the moment, but it will do when it's dried. So I'm then just going to turn it upside down and just simply sit it on my surface, flat on my surface, to dry. Okay, and I've actually got 5 of these. Right, so I've done 6 of these now. I was enjoying them so much that I carried on doing another one. So I'm going to leave them now to dry, and then we'll come back when they're dry and ready to hang up. Right, so this bauble is now a full 24 hours later. I checked on it last night, which was after about 8 hours, and it was almost dry. It was pretty much dry, but I just wanted to leave it overnight. So this is completely dry now. You can see it's got some really nice features, sort of makes it look a bit crackly. And I just think they're great. I've really enjoyed doing this. It's been so relaxing, actually. So the last step is, all you need to do is take the top, and it's got 2 pieces of metal here that go inside, so they're just really pliable. You pinch them, put them inside, and then put the top on, and that's the bauble finished, okay, with its little hanger. So don't forget, I've put the link in description below for the link to Amazon if you want to buy these ones. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe, then you'll be notified of all my new videos. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'm going to show you now how I display them, because I've put them on a nice tree, a nice white tree I've had. So I'll show you that, and then you can, it's just a suggestion for displaying them. So here they are. I've put them in situ, put them in a small window where it just fits perfectly, and I think they look beautiful with the window behind them, with the light coming through. Really pretty, so I'm really happy with those. So I hope you enjoy making them, and I will see you in the next video. Take a look at one of my next projects, and I will see you there. Bye!